Hey guys, this is how to fix due to repeated failed attempts error on Snapchat. So let's get into it and fix this issue by using two methods. I hope one of them will work for you. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply uninstall your Snapchat app, and then you have to just wait for 2 to 3 hours, and then you have to just again install your Snapchat app and then try to log in back to your Snapchat account by using the correct password and your correct credentials that are connected with your Snapchat account. So once you're done, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So now moving to our second most effective method, you just need to open your any browser, like I am using here the Chrome browser, and then search here for sport.snapchat.com. So alright, you will find here a step of the interface via this link. Here you have to just click on contact us. So here you have to just answer for these two questions. The first one is that you have to just select for I can't access my account, and the second one you have to just select for I see an error message when I log in. So once you're done, you have to just scroll all the way down at this interface, and in front of the question still need help, you have to just click on yes, and then you will be here. You have to just put here your some details, like you have to just put here your username of your Snapchat account, and then your email address that is connected with your Snapchat account, and then you have to just put here your mobile number, and then device name, like I am using here Infinix mobile, so you have to just put here the brand of your mobile, and here in this case of when did you start having the issue, you have to just put here today and then put here any of the date. So once you're done, you have to just move to the next step, which is to attach a screenshot of your problem. You must try to take the screenshot of your problem and then attach your file here. So once you're done, you have to just make a short description, like you have to just put here the words hello Snapchat support team, and then you have to just show your issue here, and then you have to just write here please resolve my issue as soon as possible. And once you're done, you have to just click on the submit. Once you click on the submit, you have to just verify that you are a human. Right after that, your report will be submitted, and then Snapchat support team will help you to resolve your issue. It will take about 24 to 48 hours, so you have to be patient, and right after this time you have to just log in back to your Snapchat account, and this time your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a big help for you. Thanks for watching.